Are you planning to dive into tech but the cost is so much for you? Then you have to stick to this video because it will be very useful to you. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever this video is getting to you. My name is Blessing Jerry and welcome back to my channel. Please, if you've not subscribed, do well too. Thank you. Are you a stay-at-home mom or someone looking for employment in the tech world? Then I would like to introduce ISC2 to you. ISC2 is an establishment that helps with the basic foundation of tech, and it is completely free. You heard me. The registration is free, the exam is free. You only have to pay a maintenance fee of $50 after the exam to get your certificates. Yeah, so when you register for your ISC2, they give you a self-paced learning material that you're going to use for the exam. All you have to do is go to www.isc2.org, and then everything you need to register for the course is there. It's a free course, it is a free learning material and a free examination. So when you register, you have to pick an exam center. There's one in Yaba, there's one in Ikeja, but I wrote in the one in Yaba. Yeah, so you have to pick. There's one in Surulere also. You have to, in that, people that are in Lagos, you have to pick your examination center. Yes, and then you get the free course material. The fact that you're getting a free course material doesn't mean you should depend wholly on that material. If you depend wholly on that material, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, you are not going to pass that exam. Take it from me, because I actually did this exam 2 times. I tried it twice. The first time I depended solely on the free material and I didn't pass, but the second time I used Prebner on YouTube and Udemy on YouTube, and I passed the exam. So my dears, start that tech course right now. Stop procrastinating. Stop pushing it to tomorrow, next day. Start it now. And I'll be posting how I passed the exams, the kind of questions I studied. I'll be posting it. I'll be posting the screenshots of where you can get them and study. I even actually use Google. I use Google. I don't know. I'll look for it and I'll post it. Yeah, so start that tech journey right now. You may never know your dream job is waiting for you in the tech world. See you on my next video. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.